guys, it's Courtney.
And Reagan.
And a special guest.
It's Mason.
Mason's here.
Hey, Mason.
Today.
Our boy Scotty Cliff is up in here for the RC Toy Reviews Mini Brands Unboxing. Woo-hoo! And who's going to go first today? How about you go first, Court?
Okay, this one's real clinky. So we have 6 balls today.
Sick.
And I'm going to open this one.
Open it, boy.
Okay, guys. Here it is.
First one. What's it going to be? Oh, it's a good first one.
Holy guacamole.
First, we got the holy guacamole up in here.
Oh, yeah, give me some.
I love that one. Okay, second
Second
pouch.
one.
Ouch.
We got the Mentos Fruity Gum flavor.
Ew. Those are nasty in real life, though.
You had them?
I don't know.
Okay.
Third one. Ooh, laughing cow.
It's like you.
It's like you.
I'll leave that in.
Fourth one, guys. Whoa, more Weiler's Light.
We're getting that one all the time now. It took us so long to get that.
Yeah, now we have like 3.
Is that like cereal?
It's
Crystal Light.
Ew.
Yeah.
Sick.
Last one.
Uh-oh.
Ooh,
Some Otter Poops.
Pops. We got a lot of
Girl,
those.
period. Autobots. Roll out.
Okay, everybody, my first ball of the day. I'm gonna go with this one on the left. Okay, everybody, my first one of the day. Who's excited?
Not us.
I'm excited, actually.
Okay, first
Yay!
one. We got the Animal Cracky.
I love that one. Focus.
Dude, can I have that one?
You can, man.
Let's go. Thanks, man.
They need the circus animal cookies, the pink and white ones.
That would be pure.
That would be
That'd be
cute.
adorable.
Adorbs.
That'd be totes.
They need Starbies.
Starbies, yay. Dude, open it, bruh.
Second one. Okay, so Clifton, you need the story of this, okay? Our last Mini Brands unboxing that we did in real life a couple days ago, we have not pulled this one. This is our most wanted one of the new series that came out like 3 or 4 months ago. And we didn't get it until last video, which is a couple days ago. And we got 2 in that video. And now we just got a 3rd one.
Period.
Mini Brands look is so weird, dude. Whenever you like can't get one and you finally get it, you'll get a bunch.
Hey, man,
Happens all the time.
beginner's luck, you know what they say.
I know, man. Next one. What's in here? Ooh, some stovetop turkey stuffing. Let's go. I like that one.
Dude, I like that on Halloween.
Come on.
Next one. Yeah! Oscar Mayer weenies.
some wieners up in here.
Okay, last one. Woo! The normal chocolate.
That one's so good.
Dang, girl. Dang. Okay, which one is Cliffy gonna pick today? Eeny, meeny, miny, meeny. I'm getting this one. Okay, everybody. It's your boy Cliffy here. And we're gonna see what we got in this here.
Bring it a little more in the center.
Like that.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Keep it right there as you open them.
Period. We got number 1.
Oh,
Wow, you got a shelf.
Shelves are terrible. We'll build that real quick.
Girl, are you kidding me? We got ourselves a 4-leaf clover here. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Is it in center?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I know, I have really pretty hands. Okay, ready? Number 2.
Ooh!
We got some peanuts up in here, dude.
Those are almonds.
That's what I said, boy. I have a nut allergy, actually, so I can't even get near, like, either of them. You know what I'm saying? Okay, ready, guys?
Yep.
We're down to 3 hat tricks here. Girl, what is this?
First duplicate of the day. Chocolate Hershey cereal.
Girl, I like 2 better than 1, you know what I'm saying? But it can be lonely, though. Okay, are you ready for number 2? Boy, this is number 2 of the pack. What is that, bruh?
Oh, let's go. We got the spinach and artichoke dip from TGI Friday.
That's actually period, though.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
That one's good.
Yeah,
I actually bought that before and eaten it.
You
Yeah.
brought it home?
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
jealous.
no, that's
No,
from
it's
the
like a
store.
frozen thing.
That's period. I want to do that. This is our apple slice. I know I'm crazy. I'm sorry. I'm always like this. Okay, you ready?
Oh,
Last
Sup?
Oh, you like that one, buddy?
Yeah, I like that, dude.
Show that off.
I like dark chocolate, and I'm really glad that this one's dark chocolate. So
You're
here.
so dumb.
Okay, period.
Here's the shelf we got without the stickers. Here's the shelf.
Good job building it.
Okay, guys, it's Courtney's turn.
Last ball of the day for Corpord.
Hmm.
Yeah, that one's clanker.
Yeah, this
girl.
one's good.
I call dibs on that, though.
Okay, guys, this is my last one. It's falling apart. I'm gonna do this one.
That's fine.
Take control.
I am in control. I got Chupa Chups the best of flavors.
Second one.
Ooh,
What's that?
TGI
Ooh.
Fridays. Papas.
Jalapeno Papas. Those are good too. I bought those.
They call me Big Papas.
They do call you that.
They call you that. Okay, next one. Ooh, Tapatio.
Oh, I love
Oui, oui.
tapatio.
Okay, second to last one.
Yes.
More Mentos. We have a lot of that one.
Last one for Courtney, everybody.
More Weiler's Light.
Ooh.
I'm pulling all the same
You going on a
ones.
diet or something?
Okay, everybody, my last one. Which one I'm going? I'm going this one right here. You get that one, bro. Period.
Of course.
Okay, everybody, my last ball of the day for Reagan. Last ball. Oh, some more Spinach and Artichoke dip. We're just getting duplicates all over the place.
Hey man, but they're good though.
Yeah, it ain't bad, bro. Okay, next one. Ooh, some Crystal Light this time. We got the strawberry flavor.
Strawberry flavor.
Third one. Ooh, we got Lunchables. We got the ham and cheddar. This is the best Lunchable, by the way. Just saying.
Does it come with the Oreo?
This one does not. Next one. Look at all the TGI Fridays today. We got the chicken wings,
That's
man.
good.
We got 3 different TGI Fridays ones, plus their duplicates. And everybody, my last one of the day. We got some Reese's Pieces. I love Reese's Pieces.
All right, everybody, it's our last ball of the day. All right, guys. Oh, wait, is that in the camera shot?
This is good enough.
Period. Okay, it's our first one, everybody.
First one of the last ball, everyone. Ooh, what do you got?
What is this,
Show
bro?
that off at the camera.
Some warheads all mixed up. They all mixed up.
They all
They
mixed
don't know where
up.
they're going.
They all mixed up.
They're right here. We're gonna put that there. Okay, ready? Second to the last of the ball.
Wow,
Are
man,
you kidding me?
You keep getting the buildables. We got a cart this time.
I bet that.
Thanks, boy. Oh, wordy woo. It's the third to the last ball of the day.
Third to last.
It's right here. Oh, instructions. Who needs those?
Oh,
wait.
the mini brands in there.
Almond breeze milk.
Oh, milk for my
Oh, Mason
boy.
loves
Dude,
milk.
it makes your bones strong. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
It's good for your kids.
Okay, ready? Sing it in this dirty.
Ew.
What is this?
Collagen, man.
It's collagen.
Why is this in the food one?
It don't study.
It's high
on.
schooling. It's high schooling.
Wait, okay, mom. The last one, man. Last
Say
one.
mom.
I didn't mean to. I meant to say man. Okay,
Last
hype this up
one.
like a bro.
This is the last one of the day. You know what they say. Best for last. We do the best for last. We do the best for last.
We do the best for last. We do the best for last. We do the best.
Whoa!
And we got a
Heath bar. They call me Heath for a reason.
Let's go. Now let's line them up and pick our favorites.
Okay, guys, here they all are lined up very cutely. We have a lot of duplicates today and a lot of TGI Fridays.
I know. That's the most TGI Fridays anyone's ever gotten one unboxing. Just saying. Look at this, everybody. We got a lot of good stuff in this haul. We got the animal crackers, the Hershey syrup. We got all that TGI Fridays. I love that stuff in real life. And the Dum Dums canister, again, if you watch our last
Again,
video.
now we have 3.
Oh my gosh. Holy guacamole's always good. So, Courtney, what's your first and favorite of the day?
Barnum's Animals.
Okay, that's a good favorite.
Yeah, that one's cute.
My favorite of the day, I don't know if I'm going to go off looks or if I'm going to go off flavor. I think I'm going off of flavor, and I'm going with those jalapeno papas in the back. I love those things in real life. Those things are so good. And our boy Spliffy Cliffy. Which mini brand is your favorite of the day?
My favorite, I got to go with the collagen. You know what I'm saying?
Come on.
Like, that's delicious in real life. So, I'm just a fan all over.
Okay, well, we got his favorite, the collagen. The first time anyone's ever picked that as a favorite. Because that stuff is dumb. Wee. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like the video, comment your favorite mini brand we pulled today, and subscribe to RC Toy Reviews for more mini brands content. And you can follow us on
Instagram RC Toy Reviews, TikTok RC.toy reviews.
You heard him.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.